Hello, I have no idea how this is going to work out. It is a recipe that was given to me to try on the channel, so that's what I'm doing. It was given by an old lady. Anyway, 6 ingredients. I added 2 more. You don't have to. I don't even know if this is going to work out, so we'll find out. I'm a bit skeptical about this, but this is the recipe that I'm going to follow, and if it fails, it fails. If it doesn't, well, this is a 6 ingredient brownie recipe that I was given, and that's going to be a flour, sugar, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of softened butter. What else? Let's see. We got 1 tablespoon of baking cocoa and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So I'm going to find out what happens. First thing I want to do is set my oven to 350. These are going to bake for half an hour. 2 eggs. And I'm going to start mixing that. 1 cup of sugar. 3 tablespoons of baking cocoa. 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 3/4 of a cup of flour, and 3 tablespoons of softened butter. This is an 8 by 8 greased pan, which I'm also going to flour. That is the exact recipe, adding in 1/3 of a cup of raisins, and 1/3 of a cup of walnuts. Because if it works out, it's going to want something in it. I'm a bit skeptical about this. Into the oven for half an hour. I'm going to let that set for about half an hour to an hour, and then we'll cut it up and find out what it looks like. Here are the brownies. Not exactly what I'm used to as far as a brownie, but they're not very chocolatey, but they're not a complete fail. Thank you for sending me the recipe.